Hi, this is Megan Jacks, Creative Memories Independent Advisor, and today I'm going to show you how to use the new reindeer punch from Creative Memories along with the jumbo circle template from the custom cutting system to make reindeers in the round. This page uses a lot of the same techniques we've used before, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is I've got some crimson cardstock and I've got my jumbo template already lined up, and I'm going to use the green blade on the outside track to make my circle. I've already done that. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to mark every 30 degrees. So I've done that as well. So I've got, it's going to mimic a clock going all the way around. The next thing I've done is I've gone ahead and I've marked the center of my reindeer. So you'll mark it at about 15/16. So just use your ruler across the center here, and you're going to line it up, and it's about 15/16. And I've used a Sharpie to mark where that is. I'm going to mark the top and the bottom, so the top for his back and the bottom for his belly. Marking both spots is important, so definitely mark both. And then it's real simple to do. I've marked the center here. When I've made my lines, I've made sure to come down far enough so that I'm going to have a pencil line come all the way through the reindeer body. And then all I need to do is line up those two marks and punch. And I just proceed to start working my way around. Since I have those two spots on his body, I will make sure that he doesn't start to get a little wonky compared to his partners. He's going to stay nice and lined up. And then I would just proceed all the way around, and I save all of your little reindeer. You can use those in a later project. So that's really all you need to do for this particular technique. And then what you end up with is the nice crimson mat that has the reindeers. So to assemble the page, I've got from the Christmas Spirit collection, I've got the lovely wood grain pattern. I put my crimson mat on there. I have gone ahead and used the jumbo circle to make a ring out of a plaid paper from the Festive Plaids. I used my jumbo circle and I used the blue blade first, and then I used the red blade to make this nice thin ring to go on the outside of my crimson mat. And then I decided to keep the photos. I wanted to include a few photos, so I've got three 3x4 dark green photo mats. And then to make the title for the page, I grabbed one of the mats from the Christmas Spirit collection, and it had the Unwrap the Magic. So I used the small oval and my green blade to cut out the Unwrap the Magic. I used my green blade because I wanted to be able to mat it. So if I use my green blade, I can then use my blue blade to cut a mat, which is what I did out of that same festive plaid. I used the small oval with the blue blade to make the oval to mat the Unwrap the Magic. So then I just placed this as a title. And then I went ahead and used one of the trees out of the embellishments from Christmas Spirit, added some foam dots. And if you grab the punch bundle, which is available for just a little bit longer today, it ends today on the 13th, has these cute little package embellishments. So I added some foam dots to the back of those. And there you go. You're all set. It's a fun option, and you can experiment with all sorts of punches. I am going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek for another page that's coming, because we not only got reindeers, we also got sleighs. So I'll be showing this video next. It's a similar technique with a couple of different add-ons to get this lovely effect. So I look forward to seeing you soon, and take care.